welcome back to the online classes. And in this video I will be continuing with the same chapter, that is motion, and we will be discussing about many subtopics in this chapter. So the first topic is distance and displacement. So what is a distance? The magnitude of the length covered by a moving object is called distance. It has no directions. And displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points, or the distance between the starting and the final position with respect to time. It has magnitude as well as direction. Displacement can be zero, but distance cannot be zero. So in this figure, there you can see the distance and displacement. The blue path taken is the distance, whereas the green dotted line is the displacement. Displacement has a certain direction, whereas distance does not have a direction. Moving on, what is a magnitude? Magnitude is the size or extent of a physical quantity. In physics, we have scalar and vector quantities. So let us see what is a scalar quantity. Scalar quantities are those which is expressed as magnitude. For example, time, distance, mass, temperature, area, volume, etc. Whereas vector quantities are expressed in magnitude as well as the direction of the object. For example, velocity, displacement, weight, momentum, force, acceleration, etc. Time and speed. Time is the duration of an event that is expressed in seconds. Most physical phenomena occur with respect to time. It is a scalar quantity. Speed is the rate of change of distance. If a body covers a certain distance in a certain amount of time, average speed is equal to total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Uniform motion and non-uniform motion. When an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, it is in uniform motion. Whereas when an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to be non-uniform motion. So velocity. What is velocity? The rate of change of displacement is velocity. It is a vector quantity. Here the direction of motion is specified. So velocity is equal to distance by time, and average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. Acceleration. The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. It is a vector quantity. In non-uniform motion, velocity varies from time. That is, change in velocity is not zero. It is denoted by A equals to change in velocity divided by time. Distance time graph. So distance time graph shows the change in position of an object with respect to time. Linear variation is equal to uniform motion, and non-linear variation implies non-uniform motion. The slope gives us speed. So you can see in this figure, this is a time distance graph where OA implies uniform motion with constant speed as the slope is constant. AB implies the body is at rest as the slope is 0. B to C is a non-uniform motion. velocity time graph. Velocity time graph shows the change in velocity with respect to time. Slopes gives acceleration, the area under the curve gives the displacement, line parallel to x-axis implies constant velocity. So you can see in this figure, this is a velocity time graph. OA is equals to constant acceleration, AB is constant velocity, and BC is constant retardation. Equations of motions. The motion of an object moving at uniform acceleration can be described with the help of three equations, namely So, dear students, please go through these notes. I hope you are practicing the notes that I had given you all yesterday. If you have any problem regarding this chapter, please message me. I will try to help you out. Study well and stay safe.